Hi there, I'm Lee Robinson, the Pro-Vice-Chancellor for Student Education at the University of Roehampton. I'm delighted to share Roehampton University's commitment to providing quality education to our students at Aventis Graduate School. As we embark on our 8th year of a successful partnership with Aventis, I'm excited about our plans to strengthen the collaborative bond between the two organisations. The partnership has and continues to usher in new educational opportunities in Singapore through the introduction of innovative programs and initiatives. Our collaborative commitment serves as a testament to our shared vision of excellence in education and our belief in the potential of our students at Aventis, many of whom are senior executives and professionals hailing from diverse industries. Our partnership with Aventis Graduate School has been characterised by dedication to delivering high-quality education in Singapore. We have strived to create a comprehensive academic environment that is both academically rigorous and nurturing for working professionals. This environment empowers our students to excel and unlock their full potential by fostering critical thinking, collaborative learning, and open knowledge and sharing among peers. Your experience at Aventis is backed by a team of highly experienced faculty members with international experience who offer a curriculum with a global perspective. This will enable you to seamlessly apply your newly gained knowledge to your professional endeavours. We take immense pride in the Roehampton students and alumni from Aventis. Our flagship MBA and Master of Science programs boast over 30 successful cohorts and have produced alumni representing 30 different industries and sectors. This diverse community creates a wealth of networking opportunities and learning experiences. The dedication, intellectual curiosity, and hard work displayed by our students constantly impresses us. Witnessing our students surpassing our academic standards with consistently high completion rates brings us immense pleasure. Our suite of graduate programs offered at Aventis Graduate School attract students such as yourselves from across Asia, many of whom are senior executive and business leaders. Our students have consistently demonstrated their potential, proving that when provided with the right environment and support, they can not only excel academically, but make a significant impact on the community and society at large. They are ambassadors of Roehampton University's commitment to shaping global leaders who take responsibility for changing and improving lives across their communities. Looking to the future, Roehampton University is committed to expanding offerings in Singapore with Aventis. The ongoing successful partnership will unlock exciting new opportunities for students and further enrich the academic landscape in Singapore. Together with Aventis, we will continue to deliver an excellent academic experience with our current range of programs, but will also look to expand this portfolio. This alliance leverages the strengths of two high-quality institutions, and I'm confident it will result in ongoing academic excellence and innovation. Our commitment to delivering high-quality education to students in Singapore remains steadfast. We've witnessed the incredible potential of our students and take immense pride in their success. Thank you for being part of our collaboration, and we look forward to a future marked by continuous excellence, collaboration, and abundant opportunities for our students in Singapore.